Yo, what's up guys? My name is Henrik Harrell. In this video I'm gonna show you a cool plugin called Filter Lite. It's a filter plugin. It has cutoff frequencies, morph to change the filter slope, spread effect to make a stereo wide effect, and a resonance and a mix option. I'm gonna show you this cool plugin in action. Let's go. Here at the beginning of this bit I automated the cutoff filter so it will make like an underwater effect. Check it out. After those 4 bars, I added a spread effect to make the sound more wider. Check it out. Now let's check this beat with these effects on. Free download this plugin till the 1st of September. Check the link in my bio. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment and make sure you share this with your friends, and see you next time. Peace.